guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my cranberry sauce. So for this you are going to be needing 12 ounces of fresh cranberries. This is the brand that I usually use. I got this from Walmart. And you are going to be needing 1 whole orange. I'm going to zest about half of this orange and use the juice of the whole orange. And I have half a cup of sugar. I like my cranberry sauce in the tart side, but if you like yours a little sweeter, you can definitely add more sugar. And I am using 1 cup of fresh cranberry juice. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay guys, I have my stove set to medium high. I already went ahead and washed my cranberries. You want to make sure that you wash them even though they come in a bag. And now I am adding my sugar. And you want to go ahead and add that cranberry sauce. And as I mentioned, I am going to zest half of this orange, so I'm just gonna go right on top. And of course I already washed my orange before zesting. Again, your stove should be on medium high to start the process. Okay, this is pretty good. Make sure all the zest get in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my orange and just squeeze the juice right in there. So you don't even need to measure for the orange juice, just juice the whole orange. Okay, so now we are going to let this cook uncovered. Of course, let it cook until our cranberries has popped. Then we're going to reduce the heat to like a medium low for it to simmer. Once it starts boiling, these cranberries will start popping. This is definitely way better than the store-bought stuff, the canned stuff. Homemade is always better. If you haven't, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram and also go like my Facebook page and also go follow me on Twitter and come snap with me on Snapchat so I can see what you guys are up to for these holidays. You guys can see what I'm up to for the holidays. I will leave the link for all my social medias down in the description box. Also, if you haven't, please go follow my other YouTube channel. It's a Creole channel. I will leave the link down below for that channel as well. Alright guys, I went ahead and turned off the stove. I let it simmer for 10 minutes as I mentioned, and it is pretty much done. And it will get thicker as it sits, but otherwise this is so delicious. I love that color, and I love the fact that I normally don't buy store-bought cranberry because it's just so easy to make. And this would be so delicious on top of your turkey or your roasted chicken or whatever you choose to make. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Look at that. And you can use this as a jam as well. Oh, this is hot. I love the tartness of the cranberries. But I hope you guys try this recipe over the Thanksgiving or the Christmas holiday. And also I hope you guys try some of my other video recipes, my turkey, mashed potatoes, carrots, and everything. I will leave some of the link for those videos down in the description box. But other than that, this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share the video with everybody you know. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.